Today we're going to bring a keyboard. All right, audio tests on keyboard. It's not bad. This is with the actual plastic cover, with the silicone cover. And we're going to remove the silicone cover just a little bit and see how it sounds. It's a little louder like this. All right, we got our Bluetooth set up in here and we're able to type away. So let's go ahead and open the internet. I'm going to type, and very simple. I'm typing away. So this only has one Bluetooth, but you can always set up a phone at the same time. Look at that. You'll be working on your iPad, typing away, and without any disturbance. So the iPad, plenty of room here. Plus, you got extra space for your phone, so you could be watching a TV show or something while you're working at. So